Hello, hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to crochet an avocado earrings. For this, I took a 2.5 mm hook. Initially, you need to make a magic ring. Into the magic ring, initially you need to make a chain of 2 and you need to do 11 half double crochets into the magic ring. Second half double crochet, third half double crochet, fourth half double crochet, fifth half double crochet, sixth half double crochet, seventh half double crochet, eighth half double crochet, ninth half double crochet, 10th half double crochet, 11th half double crochet, 11th half double crochet. After inserting 11 half double crochets, pull the loop tightly to close the magic ring, and you need to do a slip stitch on the top of the first half double crochet. Now cut the yarn and attach a light green color yarn. And let's move to round 2. In round 2, with help of a slip stitch, attach the green color yarn and secure it tightly. And you need to make a chain of 2. After chain 2, in the same stitch you need to do 1 half double crochet. In the same stitch you need to do 1 half double crochet. In the next stitch you need to do 2 half double crochets. First half double crochet, the same stitch you need to do 1 more half double crochet, that is second half double crochet. Like this you need to insert 2 half double crochets in the same stitch. Like this, in the next 3 stitches you need to do 2 half double crochets in each stitch. Two half double crochets in the same stitch. Next, in the next stitch you need to do 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the 4 stitches, each stitch has 2 half double crochets. In the next stitch you need to do 2 double crochets in the same stitch. First double crochet, and again into the same stitch you need to do 1 more double crochet, that is 2 double crochets in the same stitch. In the next stitch you need to do 3 triple crochets in the same stitch. You need to do 3 triple crochets in the same stitch. First triple crochet, second triple crochet, third triple crochet, the same stitch. In the next stitch also you need to insert 3 more triple crochets. First triple crochet, second triple crochet, third triple crochet onto the same stitch. In the next stitch you need to do 2 double crochets. First double crochet, second double crochet into the same stitch. In the next stitch you need to do 2 half double crochets. First half double crochet. In the same stitch you need to do 1 more half double crochet. Like this you need to do 2 half double crochets in each next 4 stitches. 2 half double crochets into the next stitch, 2 half double crochets. In the next stitch you need to do 2 more half double crochets. You need to do a slip stitch on top of the first half double crochet. This is the completion of round 2. You need to cut the yarn tail and you need to attach a dark green color yarn with the help of a slip stitch and secure it tightly. In round 3 you need to do 1 single crochet in each and every stitch till the completion of round 3. You need to insert 1 single crochet in each stitch. 1 single crochet in each stitch. You need to insert 1 single crochet in each stitch. You need to insert 1 single crochet into each stitch. At the end you need to do a slip stitch and cut the yarn tail. And with the help of a yarn needle you need to secure the ends tightly. This is the completion of Avocado motif. You need to attach fish hook earrings on the top of the Avocado slice. You need to repeat this pattern one more time to make a pair of crochet Avocado earrings. Hope you enjoy this pattern. Please do like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel for more interesting videos. Thank you for watching.